everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're like me and you crave pizza when you're trying to lose weight, you're definitely going to want to check out this next video. It'll show you how to get rid of those cravings. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious crustless pizza bites. I'm making mine with jalapenos and olives, but you can use whatever non-carb toppings you like. The ham and bacon ones are really good too. For these pizza snacks, what you're going to need is some mozzarella cheese, a sandwich-style pepperonis, a low-carb pizza sauce, and this is the one that I'm using, and whatever you want for your toppings. And like I said, we're using jalapenos and olives on these ones today. So let's get started. You're going to need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you're going to want to go ahead and put your large pepperonis inside your muffin pan, and I just push them in like this. Now, if you're using a smaller mini pan, what it will do is it'll actually make little cups. So if you're using that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put 4 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you put it into the pan, you're going to kind of want to make it into a little cup, kind of like that. And this is what it'll look like inside this. So this will make more of a pizza cup. And this is usually what I do because it's easier. So go ahead and fill up your muffin pan however you'd like. Then you're going to want to set the timer on your oven for 15 minutes. Next, you're going to put your pepperonis in the oven and take them out when they're done after the 15 minutes. This is what they should look like when they're done. They should be nice and crisp. And at this point, I like to take a paper towel and dab off the excess oil. You don't have to do this step, but I do prefer to. Next, we're going to add a pinch of mozzarella cheese on top of each pepperoni. After that, you'll add slightly less than a teaspoon of pizza sauce to each cup. Then you'll put another pinch of mozzarella cheese on top of each one. And now it's time to add your toppings, in my case, jalapenos and olives. I'm going to leave a couple plain ones because I like them that way as well. So this is what they're going to look like, and it's time to put them in the oven. You're going to set the timer to 5 minutes and lower the oven temperature to 375 degrees. And then you'll go ahead and put the pan in the oven. Once they cook for 5 minutes, you'll take them out of the oven, and the cheese should be nicely melted and they should look like this. I use a small spatula to scoop them out, and this is what they look like. And here are the bites next to the cups to give you an idea of what they look like using the different muffin pans. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. That's it for today's show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and give these pizza bites a try and let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I think you're really gonna like them. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button so I'll know. And if you want to be notified of future videos, go ahead and hit the bell button and the subscribe button. And I do post a new keto-friendly low-carb recipe every Friday. So hope to see you then. Thanks for watching.